out. So they drop in the Antler plugin and poof, it doesn't work. So just keep that guy in mind there. Now the fun stuff. Let's go down to the Java build path here. This is what controls how your applications see, or how your projects view their source directories, their output directories. First thing that we want to take a look at under this is the source folders. I like to set this guy up here so that we use a source folder and a bin folder as where the source is and where the outputs are. You can set it so that your project root is where your source code is viewed from. I don't like that so much because sometimes you'll throw extra files in there, like just data files, and then those will get copied over into the binary directory. Everything that gets built, everything that's in your source directory will either get built into the binary directory or copied, depending on what's available. If there's a builder that explicitly handles it, it builds it and copies it. If there's not a builder, maybe it's a properties file, it'll just copy the properties file over. Okay, so let's see, where was that next little thing I wanted to cover there? If we take a look underneath class path variables, something that's really interesting in this is if you have different developers working on the same project. I might have a library installed in a different place on my machine than you have on your machine. So what we can do is we can come up with a common name for that directory, a logical name. Like let's say that I want to have, let me find a folder here that I want to use. Oops, that's not where I wanted to go. Let's go under Computer, C, maybe underneath FOP. Let's say that this FOP library is what I want to include inside my project. I happen to have it installed as C FOP 095 beta lib. What I'm going to do is give it a name, foplib, and hit OK. Now, if I reference this variable when I'm setting up a class path in a project,